Welcome to When Butterflies Fight Back. Hi everyone, your creative educator here, and welcome to Sparkstoflameseducation, where you get great science, math, and reading content and really fun and creative ways of inspiring learning. Remember to subscribe, hit the notification so that you can see our new videos on Mondays. Like and share, and yes, subscribe now. Today we talk about what to do when butterflies attack or when they fight back. Take a look at this video to see what happened. We didn't capture everything, but take a look. We over here trying to defend this orange tree because see my catch him on camera. See that? Okay, so here's the backstory. This orange tree was supposed to be chopped down probably 2 months ago because it was struggling. But the reason why it's struggling is because there's this species of butterfly that keeps laying the eggs on there, and it grows into caterpillars that continue to eat the leaves. So this time the orange tree is trying to make a comeback. It has tiny little leaves and it's really trying. And here comes this butterfly again. So you know we're not having it. Nope, not this time. So stay tuned. I'll keep updating you. But yeah, we and this butterfly going to be fighting. Butterflies are some of my favorite little animals. They're so delicately beautiful and so really nice to watch. They're really great pollinators and so very important to the ecosystem. However, sometimes butterflies can damage plants because they lay eggs that grow into caterpillars that feed on the plant, and these caterpillars really feed because they need to store up energy so that they could cocoon and then become butterflies. So they could end up destroying whole plants, which is the case with this orange plant. Let's try to understand this a little bit better. So butterflies are insects with different body parts, and they undergo 4 stages in their life cycle. In the first stage, the butterfly finds a suitable plant and lays the eggs. Now, once the eggs hatch, they become larvae, or what we see as caterpillars. These caterpillars eat a lot because pretty soon they enter into the pupa stage, which means they're gonna go sleep for a little while, and then they're gonna emerge as a butterfly. Now, while they're sleeping, of course, they're not going to be eating, so they needed to get all of that energy first. And eventually, we get beautiful butterflies. But remember what I said? The caterpillars eat a whole lot. And when they do this, this could damage the plants. Subscribe, everybody. Road to 500. Thank you. So what do you do when they start laying eggs and you know that their caterpillar is coming next? Well, here are a couple of things that you could try. Well, you could try to encourage natural predators such as birds. So maybe sprinkle some bird feed around the plant. Try not to chase the birds away because they will eventually start picking off the caterpillars and start picking off the eggs. You could plant plants there that the butterflies don't like. So you could plant deterrent plants so that the butterflies won't feel so comfortable in that area and won't try to lay their eggs there. And last but not least, which is very tedious, you can try to remove the caterpillars by hand. But we definitely want to try to create an ecosystem that is still friendly to the caterpillars because the butterflies are really important to the ecosystem. So we want to preserve our plants, but we also want to find ways that does that without causing too much damage to the ecosystem. If you have any ideas, please let us know because we're trying to save this orange tree. Join us next week Monday when we'll have another video, and please remember to subscribe. Road to 500. Please remember to subscribe. Thank you so much. Peace out.